Alright, here we have a demonstration of styles. Now what we have here is a heading, some body text, some buttons, and a second page with more content. Now what we can do is to adjust these styles. If we look at the actual properties, for example, of the heading, it's currently set to the default style, as is the body text, as are these buttons. So if we bring up the style editor either by clicking on the pencil icon here, or if we bring it up from the Project Styles menu, then what we can see is the default text is currently black, which isn't really appropriate. So let's bring up the editor here, change the color for the default text to be white, which will stand out a lot better against this heading, against this background, and we'll increase the font size because I really want this heading to be a bit bigger. Now the problem is literally all of the text on all of the pages is updating to reflect this change. So really what I need to do is to separate my style. So I'm going to add an additional style, and I'm going to call this style heading. Now what that means is I can make this a nice big 16-point style, change this one, make it more like a, say, an 8-point style. That looks pretty good. So both the buttons and the body text I'm very happy with. So what I now have to do is to take this heading and change it from being the default style to being the new heading style that I've just created. We do the same for the second page. When you have style spread across 2 pages, once again, if I change the heading style, you can see it only updates the components that have the heading style marked on them across all pages in my project.